Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling something that might seem minor but actually impacts your gaming or work setup big time: how to wash a mousepad. That's right, a fresh, clean mousepad can actually help your mouse track better and keep your space feeling great. Plus, if you've got any spills or stains, we'll show you exactly how to remove them so your mousepad looks as good as new. Now, let's get into it. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, make sure you've got everything you need. Grab a mild dish soap or gentle detergent, some warm water, a soft brush or sponge, a towel, and of course, your mousepad. You'll also need a sink or a basin large enough to soak the mousepad. Why warm water? Research shows that warm water helps lift dirt and oils more effectively than cold, according to studies on fabric cleaning. Warm water softens grime, making it easier to wash out without causing damage. Fill your sink or basin with warm water. You want it warm, but not too hot. Extreme heat can actually damage some mousepads, especially those with rubber or foam padding. Add a few drops of your mild soap or detergent to the water. Why mild soap? Harsh detergents can damage fabric and padding, while mild soaps clean effectively without stripping or degrading these materials. Studies on fabric preservation, yes, people study this, show that gentle cleaning agents extend the lifespan of delicate surfaces. Place your mousepad in the soapy water, letting it soak for a few minutes. Once it's soaked, grab your brush or sponge and gently scrub in small circles. Pay attention to areas with stains or heavy grime buildup, especially around the edges, as these tend to pick up the most dirt. Don't scrub too hard, a light hand is enough. A tip on scrubbing. Fabric cleaning research from fabric care experts found that scrubbing with gentle, circular motions helps remove stains without damaging the weave of the material. Overscrubbing can wear down the fabric, which is something we definitely want to avoid. After scrubbing, drain the soapy water and refill your sink with fresh, warm water. Rinse the mousepad thoroughly to make sure no soap is left. Leftover soap can leave a residue, and this can actually attract dirt and dust, making your mousepad feel sticky and harder to keep clean in the long run. Once it's rinsed, press the mousepad gently to remove as much water as possible. Avoid wringing it out, as that can twist or deform the pad. Just press down firmly from the center outward. You can also press it flat onto a clean, dry towel to help soak up even more moisture. Why not wring? Studies on memory foam and rubber materials, commonly found in mousepads, reveal that twisting can permanently alter the shape and thickness, which is something we don't want. Pressing flat keeps the shape intact while still removing water. Finally, lay your mousepad on a dry towel in a well-ventilated area. If you have a drying rack, even better, this lets air circulate around the pad. Avoid direct sunlight, as prolonged exposure can fade colors and weaken certain materials over time. And remember, don't use a hairdryer or any other heat source. Why air drying? Heat can cause fading and breakdown of certain types of rubber and foam, as reported by product safety guides from textile research groups. Air drying is safe, preserves colors, and ensures even drying. And there you go. In a few hours, your mousepad will be dry and ready to go. Remember, a clean mousepad doesn't just look better, it also makes for smoother mouse movements and can even extend the life of your pad. So keep it fresh. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this video with anyone you know who could use a little mousepad refresh. Also, let us know in the comments, how often do you clean your mousepad?